Betty is a real workaholic. Wow! More reports? Well, okay. Don't panic. I can do it. But management thinks otherwise. Fire? Is that a joke? After all I've done for you? This is so unfair. I hate it here. I didn't even want to be stuck in the office 24/7. Looks like it's time to go to Plan B. Betty can't pay her bills now, which means it's time to find a more affordable place to live. Or make one herself. Plastic pipes will be a frame. Just need to connect all the parts with each other. I think I'm getting pretty good at this. That's it. And now it's your turn, guys. What did they teach me? Balance and equilibrium. Nice. I'm pretty good at this. There's still something missing, though. Of course. How could I forget? Let's wrap cloth around the walls of the cabin. And Velcro will hold it up. Now hot glue it on. Then hang the fabric on the frame. Voila! Secure the edges of the fabric with plastic ties. Slide the zip tie into the slot and tighten it up. The door to the house will be closed with Velcro, like this. Time to take care of the lighting. Let's make cute windows out of cardboard. Oh, I like it already. Cut out the square hole, leaving the curtain on the side. A glue gun is the best helper. Glue another cardboard frame on the other side. Cardboard is boring. I want to color it. Wow, that lavender shade is so pretty. Now it's ready. And this cute rug will fit perfectly into the decor. It's so soft. You, my furry friend, belong here. Let's make holes around the edges of the rug. Insert the ties and attach the rug to the frame. 1 tie, 2 ties. Perfect. Oh, the walls look a little basic. No problem. Colored paper will fix that. And now, let's get creative. Let's draw random shapes. Carefully cut out all the details. Great! Yay! That looks awesome. Let's attach the pieces to the walls. That's it. Colorful cow house. The more spots, the better. Actually, I love it. Isn't it beautiful? Uh-oh. There's just one problem. How do we make the house portable? Let's see. How about wheels? Yes, that should work. Okay, let's do it. We are going to need 4 wheels for this idea. And my drill. That's how quick and easy it is to turn an ordinary house into a portable one. And to make it easier to move, we can use a strong rope. Let's go. This is perfect. Wow! It's so beautiful here! I know! I'll park here! Except I won't be needing the wheels anymore! Let's put everything else in the backpack! The birds are singing! Oh! A message! Let's see! An interview in an hour? Awesome! Oops! And I don't even have an office! I have to hurry! What do we have here? Bingo! That's what I need! You didn't see anything! So here we are! Let's start with chip containers. They make great chair legs. Take duct tape and wrap it around the containers. Awesome! And now, let's cover up the excess. Wrap the legs with a piece of a rug and secure it with a staple gun. Great! Now I just need to think of a seat. Let's make it out of these wooden blocks. 2 crossbars plus some planks. Voila! All that's left is to attach it with screws. That was easy. And of course, what would we do without paint? Betty is in a purple mood today. Wow! This is fantastic. We put the seat on the legs and the comfortable chair is ready. It's time to go online. I think we're missing something. For the hanging table, we will need planks and a drill. Vroom! Ready! Connect 2 planks with a crossbar. Attach another beam. Perfect! Now, time to tighten the knots. Put the rope through the holes and hang the table from the frame. Now that's a private office. The finishing touch is the laptop. Oops! That's no good. I have to change right away. Hi there! I'm Betty, and I'm a very responsible person. I am so excited. It's so nice to meet you. Hire me. I'm Employee of the Month every month. Your resume is impressive. So, Betty, we'll be in touch very soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye. It's so hot. And anyway, I deserve a break. I am so glad I live here. That's better. It's about time I changed into something more comfortable. Who's the cutest one here? Me, of course. I'm going to make a canopy. The extra sticks from the frame aren't exact at all. We'll secure the canopy with duct tape. That's it. Now, time to play hide and seek. Just kidding. To make the fabric stick, we tape it up. It's time to set up the sleeping area. Always have your favorite blanket handy. And to make it even more comfortable, let's add an inflatable pillow. Go, Betty! We believe in you! There you go! That was really nice! Finally, I can take a nap. It's so hot! Betty can fix that. Is a hand fan a real lifesaver? I have 2 of those. I think we can hang it here. Finally, it's nice and cool. Oh, my stomach's rumbling. Not much money left, but I'll buy the essentials. What could be better than lunch outdoors? Betty thinks so too. We're going to have a real grill. We'll need disposable molds, foil, and wooden skewers. Pull the skewers through the baking tray. Be careful! Our handmade grill is ready. Then we wrap the skewers in foil. Great! What's next on the plan? We need to gather dry wood for the fire. I think that should be enough. Put the mini wood under the grill. Oh no! My hands are dirty! How am I supposed to cook now? Oh, just what I was looking for! Betty just had another idea. That's cute! Wait here while I make a sink. Take a plastic container and a faucet. Use the drill to make a round hole. Insert the faucet into the container. Voila! It's ready! Pour water into the container and we can wash our hands. Ah, that's nice! Great! Time to start cooking! While the grill is getting hot, Betty's getting ready to eat. Grilled sandwich! It's delicious! What a flavor! Done! May I enjoy it? It's delicious! I think it's time for someone to open their summer cafe. Time to go live! Oh no! It's so dark! I can fix this! A shiny foam sheet is just what you need. Let's cut leaves and flowers out of it. The tropical decorations are ready! Almost done! Take a thread and a needle and sew the parts together like this. Very exotic! Where should we hang it? The glittery flowers look so special. So, where was I? Oh, yes! Welcome to my portable house. I made that garland myself. Love and kisses to everyone. Bye-bye. Betty is chilling. Why not watch your favorite channel? Wow! I haven't seen this episode yet. Oh, what a wonderful day it's been today. But, Betty, Betty has to go to bed now. Huh? What time is it? Oh no! That's the last thing I need. Here's my comb. What? Are you kidding me? Yeah! Somebody got up on the wrong side of the bed. Oops! It's broken! What am I supposed to do now? It's not an easy task, but Betty has a solution. All you need is an elastic band and a needle and thread. Just sew the elastic band to the comb. Done! The comb is as good as new. It's even more comfortable. Goodbye, tangled hair. Long live Betty's good hands. Betty has begun to get used to her street life. Until this ideal was disturbed by an important message. No way! I've been hired!
Yay!
Yes! There's no time to explain. You can't be late for work on your first day of work. Oh, wheels! Of course! We'll have to set them up again. After all, Betty is moving to a new place. All right, let's hit the road. I'm going to miss this place. Betty's new office is just around the corner.
Wow.
And she should say goodbye to her old life. After all, there is someone who will need this house more. Here, sir. Here you go. This house is yours now. Thank you, ma'am. Looks like everybody's happy now. Good luck, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, I'm late.